everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. Today I just want to give very quick messages, at least 2 to 3 minutes of messages to you from the universe. Okay, so yeah, you can choose it from this pile. Before that, I just want to say you guys that I recently started YouTube. I recently started giving ratings to the clients also. If you want any ratings, if you want a solution for the problems, or if you're very confused to take decisions, or you're worrying about something and all that, you can take a reading from me. Okay, and I will give my details in the description below. You can always contact me. Thank you so much. So please choose one pile from this three. Hey pile one. So first card here is possess self confidence. Okay, stay open mind. Okay, so imagination. I think you can see the cards well. Abundance and loneliness. Are you guys feeling lonely? Pile 1, don't worry, God is there. Okay, so what I'm getting here is a quick message from the universe is, first of all, you're not alone and you will have everything that you needed in future. Okay, you will get it definitely in future. The money is flowing your way. Don't imagine much, don't think much about what will happen, why you're like that and this. Don't blame yourself. So universe is saying that something is coming your way. You need to be quiet for some time. You will see great results in your future also. So there is some sort of health issue is going on, some sort of pressure is going on in your life. So stay calm. Okay, everything will be open up. Okay, stay open minded. You're getting a lot of messages from the universe and you're getting a lot of strength from the universe that you are, you are just kicking it off. Like, you're not bothering whatever the God messages that he was giving you. So keep quiet and listen to your intuition and observe the messages that you're getting from universe. Okay, so there is a lot of confusion is going on in your mind. Okay, so be quiet. Okay, so because in a hurry you're missing beautiful energies and the guidance from the masters and the God. Okay, so some sort of money is flowing your way. I feel some are going to do some work or going to get job or getting some great results in something and all that. So yeah, through that you're going to do something and you get a lot of money in your life. So universe is saying that don't try to be alone, because when you're alone you're literally getting a lot of confused thoughts and all that. Okay, so you need to gather, you need to meet friends and you need to go outside, then you will feel much better. Okay, so you need to know that you're not alone at all. Okay, so I think the self confidence is missing here. Okay, confident on yourself is very important. You need to be confident in yourself. Okay, so what messages that I'm getting in from universe is like, you need to do something by yourself. I think you need to start something about the work or something is there in your mind. You have to think about it. Okay, so take steps step by step. You will definitely get success in your life. Definitely, I'm seeing it here a lot, and a lot of success will be there in future. Okay, so what I'm getting here, one more thing is like, I think you will share a lot of secrets with the close ones and all that. So you have to limit some things here. Giving so much money, trusting people easily and all that. So you need to, just limit it. I can say it's just limited, and connecting with the God is very important here. Okay, I know that you love God, but you've been missing, like the guidance and all that, you're missing it from God. So I think some sort of health issue is going on in your life, or some health issue is coming your way. Just be normal and don't take too much stress. Something about BP or some sort of stress, and body sweating and all, some sort of things I'm seeing here. Consult doctor. Okay, take good diet, and have divine food. Okay, yeah, that is what quick messages for pile 1. Let's move to pile 2. Hey pile 2. So let's see the quick messages from universe to the pile 2. Okay, never judge another. I think you got this meaning. Make each day count. Something is coming your way, something is there. Acceptance, surrender, doubt. So the quick messages from the universe I'm getting here is something, some offer or something decision is pending in your life. Okay, something God has sent it you, and you're doubting about it. You're thinking a lot about it, that you should do it or not. It may be like the match, or match some about the wedding or work. It may be work also. Something is pending, you know it very strongly. I think you're not completely deciding that you need to take it. So universe is saying that it will be very good. In the beginning it will be a little bit stress, whatever the offer or something that you're thinking very strong, which is very big, and that you're thinking that you cannot do it. But yes, you can definitely do it. What I'm getting here is like you need to completely surrender to the God. You need to surrender, and like you need to trust God a lot, because once you surrender, everything will be beautiful. Okay, don't doubt yourself. Whatever coming your way, it will be good. Okay, if you feel anything very strongly that you should do it, then you have to do it. Don't go back. Okay, you have to count days here. It's a very strong message from universe. Like the bad days are going and good days are coming. Okay, it's very clear. Okay, I think you're blaming other people or something like that, or you're blaming yourself. It may be yourself also. See, don't blame your anyone, and I'm definitely seeing that something beautiful is there. Okay, so that you are rejecting it. If you reject it, it takes some time to receive it again. It may take more than 2 to 5 years also. Just accept it. If you want to do something in your life, do it. Don't turn back. In the beginning it will be a little bit tough, but later on it will be very good. Okay, whatever the doubts and stress that you are having, release to the universe. Just say that I'm releasing all my doubts and fears to the universe, and I'm accepting whatever coming my way. Just tell this to yourself and surrender to the God. Okay, and pile 2 here, I think you're worrying about family, looks like. So some sort of issues are going on with your partner, or it may be with a lover, or it may be with friends or family, anyone it would be. Okay, so the message I'm getting that it will be a little bit problematic in future, that this fights and all that. So try to avoid fights with the closed ones. Okay, I think you're very angry about something. So universe is saying that this anger will lead to some sort of problem in future. So just release it to the God. Okay, so take a decision that you like it to do it. Do it with your heart, and there's a lot of support from universe is there. Okay, what are the step you are taking? If it is about the work, then some sort of disturbance will be there in the beginning, but after that a lot of name and everything will be there. Okay, looks like for some people at least 10 to 20%, for some people I'm seeing here some sort of decision about marriage. Okay, I think you have to do it. Your heart knows. Your heart know what it is. Okay, just do it and go forward. Okay, this is a very quick message from universe. Just move to pile 3. 3. Okay, let's see the very quick messages from universe for pile 3. Know your truth. Okay. The second one is learn from your mistakes. Indecision. Humor. Courage. Okay, what I'm getting here is like you need to know the truth about something in your life. I think you're not getting that much clarity about what is your life purpose, what you should do, and all that. Okay, so there is a lot of mistakes, there is a lot of failure is happening frequently, from past many years looks like. So universe is saying this, that nothing to worry about, because you need to learn from your mistakes. Like universe is saying that don't worry about whatever is not happened and already happened in the past, some mistakes and all that. I think you keep on worrying about that, so just stop worrying, because you need to learn, some sort of lesson from your mistakes. It does not mean that you need to worry. So very clearly universe is saying that don't worry at all, because God made you so beautifully that no need to worry. Okay, so some sort of indecision, I'm getting your indecision, some sort of decision is pending in your life right now. Okay, so looks like don't take don't take the decision right now. Okay, take it later. Like if you want to do something in future, about future, I think you want to start up some business, or looking for the partner, or want to do something new, or something is there in your mind. So what universe is saying is don't do it right now, anything, because right now I'm seeing that not the right time. You need to wait for a little bit more time. Later you get some sort of clarity here. Okay, you need to focus on yourself. What I'm getting is you need to focus on yourself, and you need to work on your personal growth. You need to take care of your finances very well in future also. You need to plan it. There is a lot of plan is missing here. Okay, you need to plan, you need to be strong. I feel that you're very worried and stressed about something. Okay, you're very worried and always will be stressed. So don't stress, try to be very strong. Okay, and work on yourself. Universe is saying that work on yourself, you will definitely get whatever you want in your life. You have to take step. There is a lot of support from universe, but I think you're not taking any step. Okay, and right now whatever the decision that is pending, don't do it that. About yourself, just first what you can take decision later. Universe is saying that right now work on yourself, be confident, and have so much courage and all that. You need to build some sort of strength and then take step. Okay, you have to be independent. In like universe really want you to be independent, not to depend on anyone. This is really universe is preparing for that. God is really preparing, sending a lot of angels and to support you and all that. Okay, so just do that, and just after that, once it's done, then you can take any decision. Okay, thank you pile 3. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.